3. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will presentation our assignment, Innovation Management, New Service Innovation. Member of Group 3 is Bagus Eka Maulana, Panut Budi Darmawan, Zuramatri Astuti, Nila Dewi Arianti, Azhara Mawardah, and Raffi Julio. Next. Learning objective, recognize the reasons for the growth in service, recognize the wide range of different types of service, explain how new service have led to the creation of new business models, examine the pivotal role technology plays in new service innovation, explain the role of classification of service innovation, and explain the role of the customer in the new service development process. Next, new service innovation. New production service innovation in point is the growth in service, different types on service, characteristic of service and how they differ from product, classification of service innovation, new service development models, and service innovation and the consumer.
Okay, the growth in service. The term technology-based economy has been included to characterize some of the main changes in the development of economies over the past 20 years. In the most advanced service economic in the world, such as the United States and the United Kingdom, service now account for up to the quarter of the wealth and 85% of employment. Within the EU, service now account for 7.36% of the EU28 total gross value added in 2013. Innovation who traditional, the lecturer has viewed service as different from product. This is because innovation theory has been developed around since and technological development. The integrability of service clearly makes it difficult for the traditional view to embrace or understand innovation within service. But the development of internet-based firms such as eBay with its community of user driving the development of new service is clear evidence of innovation output within service even if technology is a key intention. Next. Growth in energy-intensive business service. The truth is that the development of these economies has led to a massive increase in the amount of specialist business service, which now provide critical input to firm is our sector. It is this area of the economy, United States and Europe, that what witness how expansion and development. It is not simply that people are spending more time and money in her salon, though that may also be true. It is the technology intensive business service KBS that are the key behind the development of the services of the economics. KBS included traditional professional business service such as accountancy and law, but also a new generation of KEBS. Next. Outsourcing and service growth. Outsourcing has become very widespread in the last decade and has moved on from limited application where prepared business function are outsourced to much more vital business function being outsourced today. Despite the rather mixed record of large scale, long-term total outsourcing deals with single, supplier, and particle in the economic literature has identified a number of expense gains that companies can drive from outsourcing. This included uh, the reduction of operation costs, the ability to transform fixed costs into variable costs, the ability to focus on core competencies. And then access to the industry leading external competencies and expertise.
Next, different types on service. The service sector is vast and it varies considerably from public service in the form of state-funded education for 97% of children in the United Kingdom to specialist business service in the form of internet website design and maintenance. Each sector of the service economy, such as leisure, charities, public service, financial service, has its own set of specific challenges. Next. The typology of service is composed of description, example, customer, challenge. Next, technology and new service development. Business opportunities based on new technology developments have been and continue to be identified and exploited by entrepreneurs individual, leading to the creation of multinational business, new service, and new business models. For many years, innovation literature overlooked the concept of new service innovation. Innovation was deemed to require a new physical thing, but the world of business suggests new service could deliver potentially even more significant change than new product. They could deliver new business model.
Characteristic of service and how they differ from product. Marketing in goods and service. This difference is referred to as service and in the identification as intangibility, heterogeneity, and simultaneity, namely the three main facts that distinguish a service from a product with interactions with consumers. The main differentiator in service development. While offering development, process development, and market development occur simultaneously in industries where service dominates, it's a process a significant development. Next. Often this involves some basic rethinking and business process redesign that result in radically new offerings, such as purchase of airline seats using the internet, including the ability to select one preferred seat on the aircraft at the time or reservation. See table 15.3 chapter. Next, whichever service is considered involves a number of activities which, when linked together, it can be described as a progress. Figure 15.2 shows the main characteristic service in a study of the top 500 service companies and the top 100 finance companies in Taiwan. Joel in 2010 found that the service characteristics were heterogeneity and perishability, and market orientation positively affects firms' resources and innovation. Next.
Classification on service innovation. The service product is the core of the new service offering, consisting of the essential functional benefits conferred by the service. Service process innovation, on the other hand, is a new service delivery system. Typologies for innovation, according Bose, Allen, and Hamilton, is compass new to the word product, new product lines, additions to existing product lines, improvement and revisions to existing product, repositionings, cost reductions. And according to Lovelock, Compass is major innovation, start a business, new service for the market recently served, service line extensions, service improvement, and style change. Next. New service development can be defined as the overall process of developing new service offering from idea generation to market launch. Offer development is a combination of the development of core product or service attributes and the process by which consumer evaluate, purchase, and consume the service. For dimension of service innovation by eBay. For service dimension, is composed of new service concept, new client interface, new service delivery system, technological option. According illustration, is composed online auction community of traders, introduction of payment system that helps e-buyers trade more easily, hook investment in technology infrastructure to improve reliability and performance, introduction of voice over internet protocol service. Next.
New service development models. The majority of new service development models are based on the new product development framework. The applicability of these models depends on the nature of different service. Stage-gate models suggest a more comprehensive and action-oriented product compared to their predecessor, sequential new product development models. There is 7 process in successful of models. Generally, 1. Formulation of new product or service development strategy. 2. Idea generation. 3. Screening and evaluation. 4. Business analysis. 5. Concept development. 6. Concept testing. And 7. Commercialization.
Service innovation and the customer. One important characteristic of service that distinguishes them is that customers are CEO products of service. Therefore, the role customer play in service is more crucial relative to manufacturing product. Importantly, Lush and Nambisan in 2015 identified 3 different methods of customer involvement in the new product development process: customer as a source, customer as CO producer, and customer as user. Consumer user toolkit. In this context, it is here that new technology, most notably in the form of toolkits, offer considerable scope for improving connection between consumer and producer. This was a method of integrating customer into new product development and design. The so-called toolkits allow customers to create their own product, which in turn is produced by the manufacturer. An example of a toolkit is simple from is the development of personalized product through upload digital family photograph via the internet and having this printed onto product, such as clothing or cups, 3D allowing customer to create personalized individual products for themselves. Next, customer input into the new service development process. Uh, First, strategic planning in the activities is thought and feedback on long-term plan. Two, idea generation step, need problem, criticize exciting service, identify gaps in the market. Step, service requirement. Step, new service adoption criteria. Number three, idea screening. Suggest desired feature, benefit, and attribute. Show reaction to concept. Show level of progress intent to for concept. Indication of sale and market size. Number four, business analysis. Possible feedback on financial data, including profitability of concept, also pricing level. Number five, formation of cross-functional team. Either participate in team selection or even from part of the team. Number six, service design and process system design. Review and jointly develop blueprints, suggest improvement by identifying with weak or fail point. Observe service delivery trial by personal training. Observe and participate in simulated service delivery process and suggest improvement. Number 8, service testing and pilot. Participate in simulated service delivery process and suggest final improvement and design change. Number 9, test marketing. Provide feedback on the marketing plan. Detailed comments about marketing mix suggest improvement. Number 10, commercialization. Adopt the service as a trial. Feedback about overall performance of the service along with improvement. Word of mouth communication to other to potential customer. Next, in the table 15.6 illustrates further ways consumer can provide input the new service development process at every stage. Traditionally, quality function development has been the most widely known method employed during this stage. QFD has been defined as a system that is capable of linking customer requirement to design characteristics of the product or service through certain market research methods such as direct discussion or interview, surveys, focus group, customer specification, observance, etc. Next, uh, consumer testing of service. In this way, a customer who access Cisco knowledge base and user community assist other customers to solve the problem they encountered, yet involving consumer only at the end of the service development process has revised criticism from marketing literature. For example, in the field of UK commercial banking, Etenepoulou and John relieved that most successful developers communicated with their lab users throughout the new service development process, whereas less successful ones concentrate their communication at the end of the process. Next,
This is our references, and That's all our presentation. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next.